In this video, you're going to learn about biomes from Miss Shealey's second block Earth and Environmental Science class.
Tundra. It's found in the North Pole. It gets about 6 to 10 inches of rainfall every year. The temperature ranges anywhere from -34 Celsius to 12 degrees Celsius. Its characteristics are extremely cold, low biotic diversity, simple vegetation structure, short seasons of growth and reproduction, and frozen subsoil called permafrost. Animals that can be found are Arctic squirrels, foxes, wolves, polar bears, bumblebees, ravens, codfish, salmon, and trout. And plants are low shrubs, reindeer moss, grasses, and 400 varieties of different flowers.
The savanna/grassland is scattered with shrubs and isolated trees, can be found between a tropical rainforest and desert biome. Savannas have warm temperatures year-round. Savannas have two different seasons, a long dry season, which is winter, and a wet season, which is summer. And the annual precipitation is 10 to 30 inches of rain. The animals that can be found are zebras, koala bears, lions, crocodiles, African dogs, and elephants.
We got the rainforest. The landscape has vegetation and ecology. The soil condition is poor. The flora is mammals, reptiles, and birds. The climate is rainfall ranges at 250 cm per year and is found near the equator. The dominant plant life is Kuwari, and it makes anesthetic, and quinine, and it treats malaria.
This is the desert. The landscape is dry, has lots of sand, and is windy. The soil is dry and sandy soil. The climate is, the highs are over the upper 90s, while in the low temperatures is around 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The dominant plants are an octolio, which is this plant. It is a bush with leafy leaves, green leafy leaves and flowers, and a saguaro cactus, which is up here, which in Arizona is the state flower. The dominant animals, or just animals in particular, are coyotes, foxes, bobcats, hawks, falcons, owls, snakes, and lizards.
Our biome is the Coniferous Forest. It is filled with a bunch of trees that have pines instead of leaves and cones instead of flowers. And they're usually spiky. And the precipitation generally tends to be 300 to 900 millimeters, but sometimes it can get up to 2,000, like in the higher areas. The soil is acidic, and it's called podzols, which have humus layers called moor. They generally tend to have a lot of elk, bears, fish, and owls, which some of them are endangered. They have a bunch of moose and stuff, all them bears and fish. They have moss and lichen, which is like fungus and it looks really bright and stuff. Firs, spruce, hemlocks, and birch, which are all types of conifers. And they're cold. They have cold, dry, and long winters, and warm, regular summers.
Deciduous forest characteristics of the landscape. Lots of trees, oak, maple, shrubs. The average rainfall is 30 to 60 inches per year. Temperature is usually negative 30 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius. Soil conditions. Brown soil, fertile, nutrient rich. Flora, broadleaf trees such as oak, maple, and hickory. And then the animals are eagle, steer, and coyote.